Caring for your Flyp nebulizer is simple. First, consult the quick setup guide for detailed step-by-step instructions. Before this step that we'll show here, you'll want to clean the reservoir and mouthpiece with mild soap and water. To clean the device, you'll need some distilled water and an eyedropper. Flip over your device and open up the medication reservoir on the hypersonic cartridge. Fill with distilled water. Then close the reservoir, turn the device over, and lift up the mouthpiece. Then press the power button and hold for 3 seconds to enter a pulse cleaning mode. Run the unit for at least 60 seconds, but longer is fine, and then power off and close the device. We recommend a deep cleaning once a week or as needed to remove medication. To do this, use white vinegar and your eyedropper. Again, turn the device over and open up the medication reservoir on the hypersonic cartridge. Fill with distilled white vinegar, then close. Lift up the mouthpiece. Press and hold the power button again for 3 seconds to enter the pulse cleaning mode. It's that easy.